This is all yours, including everything between here and your house. Almost 2,000 acres. What do you think?
I own all this?
Oh yeah.
This whole airport?
Yeah. Congratulations.
Welcome back, everyone, and welcome to those of you new to the RCinformer YouTube channel. It is a new day here at RCinformer, and today we have a big announcement. As many of you know, I've been promising everybody that something big was coming, and it's now time to deliver. As many have noticed, Steve and I have been off-grid for a little while. We really haven't been putting out as much video content lately, and that's because we have been ultra busy developing our new flying site. That's right, we now have our own flying site located in the beautiful horse and cow country of sunny Central Florida. So, I would like to officially welcome everyone to the RCinformer field. While it's not quite the 2,000 acres of Mr. Seal's operation, our new field is plenty big enough to handle any electric, gas, or glow-powered models. We've actually been planning this for a long time now, and we've had the field for about a year. However, we've really been immersed in the logistics of planning and setting up the new field. For now, we are flying off the grass. Steve and I are mowing the runway in tandem with tractors. However, stay tuned to the channel as we will soon be adding a flight line clubhouse building and installing our own runways. So be sure to look for new uploads to the channel as we will be posting the progress as we construct our new facility. It should be pretty fun and entertaining to watch as everything kind of takes shape, and be sure to stay tuned for new videos as we upload them. The field will be set up for flying off of both hard surface and grass runways, so we can fly a full spectrum of models there without any limitations at all. Now, we kind of held off announcing everything until we had some of the logistics out of the way, which is why I'm happy to announce that we are not only an officially chartered club with the Academy of Model Aeronautics, but best of all, we have already been approved by the FAA as an official remote identification area, or FRIA. Yep, that's right. No remote ID will be required to fly here, thanks to the good work by the Academy of Model Aeronautics and the FAA. So, as we get the field set up and ready to go, not only will you be seeing more videos from the RCinformer flying field, the plan is eventually to have everyone come out and fly with us, and we plan to have future fun flies and events right here at our own custom-built aerodrome. As usual, I'd like to thank everyone for supporting the RCinformer YouTube channel by sharing our videos. Also, to follow our progress, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get alerted of new progress uploads to the channel. We also have down below in the description box updated discount codes for you in that description box below this video. You can use those codes with the product links that are also below so you can save on your next purchase. And again, clicking on our product page links in the description box below and making a purchase through the link supports the RCinformer YouTube channel at no cost to you, and we do really appreciate the support. As always, I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and once again, stay tuned for more uploads that are coming, and welcome to the RCinformer field.
Taking off. There we go. Steering flaps coming up. out here. Yeah, baby. That's what I like to see. Weird flaps. Let's see if I can recover from this one. Nice. There we go. Greaser on in. Gotta like that.